Hello, good morning guys. Good morning. Good morning. November 23, 2025, Saturday morning. So another day, another video. Richard Mechanic Vlog. So, okay, first of all, I want to shout out my Mama Fabi, Ben and Kuya. Today is our rest day again. Rest day. So rest day is a fly day. Yeah. Bike day. Sorry, bike day. Yeah. So at the moment we're in Mina Port. I should say, I think Mina Port, because this can see this port. Of course, port. Yeah, I pronounce it correct. Port. So let's check it. Okay. So I think Indian or Pakistan playing here cricket. See, from there going to there, they're playing cricket. So I think this one is the old I should say what is it? I forget. Just look around. Right? Yeah, that's it. It's empty. Okay, yeah, warehouse, old warehouse in Mina Port. Right? It's an old warehouse. As you can see, this is the roof falling down now. Oh, this is empty now, almost cleared. So that's the city, right? City, the World Trade Center. There, World Trade Center. So of course, with me, Whitey. Okay, I will show you my Whitey. I will show you my Whitey, baby. Yeah, we're going to that area. Alright. What the F? What the F? Oh. Cool naman. Oh, alright. Of course, with me, it's PC. It's PC. Beautiful, it's PC. And ayan. So guys, so dito tayo dadaan. Dito, papasok tayo doon, papunta tayo doon. Sa mga naglalaro doon. So, free day, Saturday free day. Fly through, baby. Let's go. Front camera. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, hold it. Okay, let's go there. Alright. So we have this HPC Revolution X electric bike. Oh, I want to climb that rocks. I want to see behind that rocks. So they are playing here. Alright, dance, wait, hey. Dance. Rocky road, off-road. Rocky road, baby. Front cam. Ayaw nang makaano yung bike ko. Come, baby. So we have 79 volts. 79 volts. 81 volts. Nice cricket, baby. Playing cricket, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Cricket, cricket, cricket. So I want to see that behind the trucks. I want to see. I want to climb that. Okay, let's climb. Let's climb. Let's climb. All right. Climb, climb, climb. Ayan. Ayan. Enjoy the views. Ah. So guys, ayusin ko ito. Ayusin ko ito. Okay. So cricket boys. Cricket boys. So guys, we're going to see that behind these rocks, okay? We'll go behind. Just climb these rocks. Right. Let's do. Yeah. Oh my god. Fuck. Puta. Hirap ba? Tingnan na lang din. Oh. Ang hirap bumaba. Hirap bumaba. Puntahan natin si ano, yung malaki yung ano, bola, may bola doon, no. Yeah, tingnan natin yun. Cricket boys. Hey boys. Sak maligo dito ah. Guys, ang hirap umakyat ah. Yeah. Yay! Okay guys, so hanggang dito lang. Maya puntahan natin yun. Puntahan natin yun. Kita niyo. So dahil sa aming lalaro dito ng cricket. Kita niyo naman. Cricket. It's life. So kasama si Speedy. Speedy. So kung familiar kayo sa Abu Dhabi guys, alam nyo kung saan banda yan. World Trade Center, nandun yung Marina Mall yung banda. Okay. Alright. So enjoy the views guys, enjoy the views. So we are on the Mina port. This is behind the rocks you can see now. It's the slope aligned big rocks. So as a barrier. As you can see there also fishing, they are fishing. Someone is fishing down there. Right. Okay na lang yung video natin guys. So once again, another day, another video. Char Mechanic Vlog. Right, enjoy the views. Yeah baby. Hee!